This is my Rubik's Cube. I made it into the Canadian flag. It has that white middle with it's supposed to be the maple leaf. Oh yes, I am proud to be a Canadian.
It's kind of sentimental to come to Steveston. For Canada Day, it's a tradition for me, so. Yeah, I feel really good to be back in the community, to see everyone. It didn't happen for 2 years, so it's good to see everyone and be outside. So.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Business is pretty good. Lots of people buying hot dogs.
It's awesome, yeah, it's so cool to see all the people up here. Friendly faces, it's a beautiful day, I love seeing. I don't have a Canada shirt, but I did bring my red Tampa Bay Buccaneers shirt to kind of represent the great country of Canada.